Hey there! Imagine waking up every morning with a sharp, nagging pain in your lower back. It's there when you sit, stand, and even when you lie down. For millions of people worldwide, this is a daily reality. Lower back pain can be debilitating, affecting your ability to perform everyday tasks, enjoy hobbies, and even impact your mental well-being. But what if there was a way to not only manage but conquer this pain? This guide aims to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of lower back pain, its causes, and effective remedies to help you reclaim your life. Understanding lower back pain. The anatomy of the lower back. The lower back, or lumbar region, is a complex structure of vertebrae, muscles, ligaments, and nerves. Understanding its anatomy is crucial for identifying the root causes of pain and determining effective treatments. Action: feeling confused about the anatomy? Watch our detailed video explanation here, link, to get a visual understanding of your lower back. Common causes of lower back pain. Lower back pain can arise from various sources, including muscle strains, herniated discs, arthritis, and even psychological stress. Each cause requires a unique approach to treatment. Meet Jane, a 35-year-old office worker who developed lower back pain after long hours of sitting at her desk. Initially, she ignored the pain, thinking it would go away. However, it only worsened, leading her to seek professional help. Jane's story is not uncommon, and it highlights the importance of early intervention. Action: think you might have a herniated disc? Take our quick quiz to find out if you need to see a specialist. Risk factors. Certain factors increase the likelihood of developing lower back pain, such as age, occupation, poor posture, and lifestyle choices. Understanding these risk factors can help in prevention and management. Action: check out our posture correction guide, link, to start making small changes that can have a big impact on your back health. Diagnosis and treatment. Diagnosing lower back pain. Accurate diagnosis is key to effective treatment. This section covers the various diagnostic tools and methods, including physical exams, imaging tests, and patient history. John, a 50-year-old construction worker, experienced severe lower back pain that radiated down his leg. After months of suffering, he finally sought medical advice. Through a combination of MRI scans and physical exams, John was diagnosed with a herniated disc. This section will detail his journey from diagnosis to treatment. Action: experiencing similar symptoms? Schedule an appointment with a specialist today, link. Non-surgical treatments. Many cases of lower back pain can be managed without surgery. This section explores various non-surgical treatments, including physical therapy, medications, and lifestyle changes. Action: download our free exercise plan, link, designed to strengthen your back and alleviate pain. Surgical options. For severe cases, surgery may be necessary. This section provides an overview of common surgical procedures, their risks, and recovery processes. Action: considering surgery? Watch our webinar on what to expect before, during, and after the procedure, link. Lifestyle and prevention. The role of exercise. Regular exercise is vital for maintaining a healthy back. This section covers the best exercises for strengthening the lower back and preventing pain. Action: join our online fitness community, link, for daily workout routines and support. Ergonomics and posture. Proper ergonomics and posture can significantly reduce the risk of lower back pain. Learn how to set up your workspace and improve your posture in daily activities. Action: download our ergonomic checklist, link, to optimize your workspace today. Stress management. Psychological factors like stress can contribute to lower back pain. This section explores stress management techniques such as mindfulness, yoga, and therapy. Action: try our free mindfulness meditation session, link, to start your journey towards a stress-free life. Real-life stories and testimonials. In this chapter, we'll share real-life stories and testimonials from individuals who have successfully managed or overcome lower back pain. These stories provide hope and inspiration, showing that it is possible to reclaim a pain-free life. Action: have a success story of your own? Share it with our community, link, and inspire others. Conclusion: your journey to a pain-free life. Lower back pain doesn't have to control your life. With the right knowledge, tools, and support, you can take charge of your health and well-being. Remember, the journey to recovery is unique for everyone, but you don't have to go through it alone. Stay connected with us. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks.